Break free from no clients, no closings? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Kim's been a real estate agent for years. She's passionate about helping people, but year after year she closes only a couple of clients. The problem? She doesn't have enough financially qualified clients in her book of business, and she's never built a true relationship marketing and permission-based follow-up system to keep her busy year-round. If this sounds familiar, if you're in a dry spell, stuck in the mud, or wondering where your next client will come from, this video is for you. We help real estate agents break free from the no clients, no closings cycle by building a steady book of business through relationship marketing. We're talking about a system that can put you on track to $100,000 plus a year in commissions, without guesswork, without wasting money. Most struggling agents aren't short on talent, they're short on a process. We begin by coaching real estate agents to pinpoint their ideal client profile within their sphere of influence, then build a system around marketing by referral, strategic networking, social media, targeted paid ads when needed, and permission-based follow-up. The first step is mastering pre-sales, learning how to quickly identify who is financially qualified to buy or sell a property. From there, we craft irresistible offers that make people say, "Yes, tell me more." One example of a remarkable offer? Here's our challenge to you. Start our 10 to 30-day challenge and we'll help you get your next client for free. No payment upfront, no credit card required, 100% guaranteed. If we're not a good fit, we understand. We part as friends. If we help you close a client and put money in your pocket, all we ask is that you continue using our services and software for 1 year to keep growing your business. If you've been in real estate for years and you're tired of empty pockets, no clear strategy, and wondering where to put your marketing dollars, we can help. We offer a 3-month coaching program with our software account to help you land clients. If you don't make money, you don't pay, our 100% guarantee. Our discovery call will help us see if we're the right fit, and if not, we'll point you to someone who is. So, are you ready to finally have a predictable system to get clients, build your business, and live your best life? Take the 10 to 30-day challenge, and let's get your next client on us. Why it works. When you market to your sphere of influence with a specific offer and follow up consistently, you don't just get leads, you're building a relationship marketing and permission-based follow-up business. This is where the money is made. If you can find just 5 people in your sphere of influence who match your ideal client profile and are financially able to buy or sell, it's no longer a lead generation problem, it's a sales opportunity. Here's a real example. Let's say you identify renters in your sphere of influence who want to buy but think they can't afford it. With our help, you present a solution that makes ownership possible. Even one closed deal could generate a $15,000 commission, often within 1 to 3 months. Who this is for? A real estate agent that is tired of inconsistent income, empty pipelines, and not knowing where to invest your marketing time or money, this is your wake-up call. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Next steps. This program isn't for everyone. Our discovery call will uncover your goals, your challenges, and whether what we do is right for you. If it's not, we'll point you to a better fit. But if you are the right fit, we'll help you get your next client for free, fast. Then, we'll help you build a business that doesn't just survive, but thrives. What to do now? Book your free discovery call. See if you qualify for our challenge at humanbrainbox.com/quickly. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.